welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we have the brand new Apple Magic Keyboard here in space gray. They added this new color, and the Apple Magic Mouse 2, and it's also space gray, a new color they added. So let me show you guys the keyboard here. So we bought the one with the Numeric Pad, and here's the Magic Mouse box. So let's open both of these. Okay, which one should we open first? Choo, this. Yes. We're opening this. Okay. Here's the keyboard when you take it out of the box. And now, let's take it out of the box. So, let's see what it comes with. Comes with this. Whoa, that's very new. Whoa. Comes with a black charger. Black this time. That's new. And the charging is their lightning cable, I think they call it. The lightning cable here. That's the charger. And let's see what this is. So let's see what it comes with. This is a little booklet. Yeah, it's a little booklet of like how do you set it up and stuff with your laptop. In different languages, and this is the certification for model thing, and this is a booklet which tells you about the warranty and other things on the product. So now let's take out the keyboard. Okay, out of the box. Its colors are very good. You can see here. Over here is the charging part. This is where you put it on from, the switch. And I don't know what that is. And on the bottom, Apple logo. And they have 4 pads to put it on so it doesn't like scratch or anything. And it stays in one place. So over here we also have their old keyboard. So this keyboard, it Bluetooth connects with your Apple computer without any USB or anything, just Bluetooth, okay? And the old one had to have this wire go on it. It also, but it also had 2 USBs you could put in here. And it only came in the color white. This is the old one. These keys feel like they're out a little bit more, and this one's not really. This one's a little bit in, but you can still feel the clicking. So that's the keyboard. Now we're done with the keyboard, and now we should open the Magic Mouse. Whoa! The Magic Mouse is here. It has no wrap around it or anything. This is the Magic Mouse. Let me show you this. It's black here. So if you want to scroll, you just do it like this and click. Same thing. Charging goes here. You put it on from here, and that's where the light comes from. Let me put the mouse in here for now. And we also got that in space gray. So, a little booklet again. I think it's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's yeah, it comes with the same things. It comes with a little instruction booklet, a little warranty thing, and a warranty thing and the purchase thing. Okay, so that's what that comes with. And it comes with that same black charger. These chargers Apple made are different. First, they were only in white. So this is the new mouse. Let's put that in there. Okay, so This is the new Apple mouse, and this is the old one. They're both the same thing, everything's the same, except for the fact that this one, the new one, comes in space gray now, over here. But the old one only came in white. Same with the keyboards here. So, these things are pretty good. I like them, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and please like this video. And ring the bell icon so then you get to know whenever our videos go. Bye!